Alright everybody, so I have to clearance my exhaust here because we hang a little too low. A little bit too low for the one of my potential skid plate options. So I have to cut this clamp that's here on the muffler because the nut sees in place. I have new clamps. And then I'm going to cut here. Instead of doing 290s, I'm going to do 245s and bring it more out this way. But also tucked higher. So, yeah. Let's get into it. Alright everybody, so what I did was took the 290s out, did a 45, another 45, but this time holding it up where this skid plate goes, I got about 3/8 of an inch of clearance now, and I shortened the run to cut over. It used to come out all the way close to the frame. Now it's closer to the center line of the truck. So these bends are less shallow, and it's got less of a run to have to make in order to start going to the rear. So that should help a little bit. And I redid this hanger. No more clamped on hanger. This is the old S-bend that I did, 290s, with the clamp on, Amazon hanger on there. So we're just going to take this, throw it in the trash, because that's done. But anyway, I'm running out of daylight. I got maybe 45 minutes, half hour of good light left. So yeah. One thing I never got you guys last time was you start without a muffler on it. Kind of just raw, unedited. We'll also go get some poles for you guys. So